Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 students. Dear students, today our topic is Chapter 1, Creative Question number 2. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, Creative Question number 2. We have already done Creative Question 1 in our previous class. Today we will do 2 number question, and this is lecture number 4, and I will give you SW. Our today's SW number will be 3 number SW. So dear students, let's start today's class. You can see this is creative question number 2 in your book, page number 11. In your book, page number 11, you will found this question. This is the question. Sohail is suffering from influenza. His father told him to use handkerchief while coughing and sneezing. Question here, A number, what is virus? What is virus? B number, why is virus called acellular? C number, what are the reasons for telling Sohail to use handkerchief? D number, analyze how Sohail would make others aware of the preventive measures against the disease. I have written here all answers. A number question was, what is virus? Answer is here, A number answer. A virus is a microscopic organism. Virus is a microscopic organism. These are the simplest organisms composed of protein coating and nucleic acid, which exhibit a few living characteristics while it is in a living cell. B number question was, why is virus called acellular? Answer is here, virus is an electronic microscopic entity made up of a nucleic acid inside and a protein coat outside. Cellular structures like the cell wall, plasma membrane, organized nucleus, cytoplasm, etc. are totally absent. That's why a virus is called acellular. Now C number answer. Question was, what are the reasons for telling Sohail to use handkerchief? Answer is here, Sohail is suffering from influenza. It's an airborne viral disease. Influenza patient suffers from high fever, cold and cough. As these diseases is contagious, a healthy person may fall victim to influenza from the sneezing and coughing of diseased person. For this reason, Sohail's father told him to use handkerchief while coughing and sneezing so that microbes of influenza cannot infect healthy body. Now D number answer. D number question was, analyze how Sohail would make others aware of the preventive measures against the disease. Answer is here, by giving following tips, Sohail can make others aware of the preventive measures against the influenza. First point, using mask or handkerchief while sneezing and coughing. Second point, not spitting here and there. Third point, after wiping off cough with a handkerchief, it is essential to wash it on. And fourth point, one should avoid using or coming in contact with usable things of the diseased persons. Last point here, drink safe water. Drink safe water. So dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 3 number. This is 3 number SW. And remember that when you will do your SW, please write down SW number and date on top of your SW copy. And your SW will be creative question. And sub number is here A, B and C. I am repeating your SW. This is 3 number SW and your SW will be creative question 2 number and sub number here is A, B, C. That means here is A, B, C. C number. A, B, C number questions and answers. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you have to submit your SW on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.